Hey girlies, we are at Michael's right now because I saw on Instagram that Michael's released an entire Hello Kitty collection. So, you know, the first thing I'm doing after work is going to see if they have any products at my location. So let's go. Look how big my baby's getting. I may have gone the slightest bit overboard with my purchases. I mean, is that even really possible though? It's Hello Kitty. Like it's a timeless treasure, so I had to. The deals right now at Michael's are absolutely insane. They hardly have any Christmas stuff left. The shelves are like empty. Everything's 50% off, 30% off. They have so many coupons. So run to your Michael's ASAP so you can get all this Hello Kitty stuff before everybody buys it. Let's do a quick little haul. First up, this adorable mixing bowl. Oh my goodness, I'm keeping this for the rest of my life, seriously, even if it breaks. We got some spatulas, cookie cutters, little Hello Kitty molds, and then this silicone tray liner because I want to make macaroons in an upcoming video. Also, do we like the nails? Okay, and then I got this little container to hold the treats that we're going to be making tonight. Some measuring cups, more cookie cutters, and then look at these little edible sticker things. So cute, so cute. Some food color markers. Let's get into the video. We're gonna let it cool and then we're gonna add the frosting so we can make it into cake pops. It smells amazing. I just want to like dig into it right now, but it is piping hot, so we have to let it cool down. Oh my goodness, you guys, those cake pops turned out amazing, literally even better than I imagined that they would. But we are gonna have to do a part 2 to this Hello Kitty baking extravaganza because it is getting late. I am exhausted. Baking is exhausting, and I have a sink full of dishes to do and I have to work in the morning. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.